Okay, so here's how you can set up your TagTime Web goals to sync with Beeminder. So, first you got to create a new goal, add progress manually. So let's say I want to do more time at my computer. Here, type in hours. Let's say I want to be at my computer for 3 hours a week. Hit continue, give it a name, and choose this. Okay, so now we have created the goal, and now we can see that it says plus some time. Now we are ready to set it up with TagTime Web. So go to there, hit goals, create a new goal, and here we can choose what criteria. So if I'm away from the keyboard, then I'm not at the computer, but I want to have more time at the computer, so we'll type in AFK. It tells me that would match 40% of the last 50 pings. And I copy in the name of the goal, which is right here and there. Now I hit create goal, or I can change the name. At keyboard. Hit create goal, and there. Now, it should sync up right away. Might need to give it a second. If it's not showing up, just go to settings, hit resync with Beeminder, hit OK. And now, it has synced up, and you can see that all the data is on the graph there. We can go to the data tab, and here it will show you all of the matching pings and what the tags were entered at that moment were. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now it's all working. You can see this goal automatically gets its data from TagTime Web. That automatically shows up whenever you are using TagTime Web for the syncing.